Good morning. Welcome to Toronto. We're very excited to have all of you here in our hometown. I'm Warren Dehan, president of Maestro, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to the 2019 Maestro Users Conference.
Honestly, it was the first conference I'd ever gone to where I was flying home on the plane and I was like, wow. I started learning from the minute I got there to the minute I left. When the conference for this year was announced, I really worked very hard to make sure that I could be here because I really do feel it's very, very valuable.
When we come to the conference, we learn a lot. There's a lot of features within Maestro, even as being an everyday user, that we find, we're not using it to its fullest capability. So when you come, you always take back with you so much more.
Well, I originally wanted to come to the Maestro conference from hearing great things from the past of getting to meeting the organizers, the developers, the salespeople, most of the help desk that I'm on the phone with, get to meet them face to face, come up with new ideas, problem solve issues we've had in the past.
I've been working with Maestro for a sum of about 12 years as of right now. I just wanted to dive into knowing what the community looks like and just meet some of the faces.
And the Users Conference is a tremendous opportunity to accomplish a number of things. Number one, they get to meet face to face with the Maestro staff that they speak with and email and talk to every day. The workshops, the private lab sessions, the presentations. Maestro has so much to offer, but sometimes users are too busy to look at all the capabilities. This gives them an opportunity to take a step back, take a breath, and look at some of those things that they can take back with them and implement in their hotels.
I just did the analytics class, and there were some things that were somewhat of a revelation that I could do that. LJ was very informative, hoping to get information that I can bring back to my staff and make their lives easier, and information that'll make my life easier.
We're so excited to be here. I just got out of a 2-hour learning lab. In that 2 hours, we were able to get really good answers, and it's been all hands on deck, and you're learning as you're going.
And I think it's good to have that FaceTime, the interaction with other users and the team with Northwind. I don't know how you could do any better with the conferences. I mean, they're really perfect.